guys, hey, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, Maureen. My name is Maureen, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to style this bandana into an amazing style, which can use it one as a gangster. And on that, I'm not promoting any gangster thingy here. Yeah, disclaimer, that is just a very disclaimer, but just want to show you how you can do it. And remember, you can also use this particular style, maybe you're working in a toxic environment, polluted air kind of environment, so you can use it as a mask. And yeah, it can always play a big role in different things, so make sure that you grab onto your bandana, yeah, and maybe a flat surface, which is not a must. You can just do it on air like I will be doing. And then you can also like this video, share it out there, leave a comment down below, and always subscribe for more amazing tutorials. So grab onto your bandana like this, making sure that the inner side is the one that is facing towards the front. Or maybe if you're doing it on like a flat surface like this, like that, you can always, you make sure that the inner side, which I always confuse and call the opposite side, is facing towards the top. Okay, so with this like that, you have to now rotate it onto the side. There's some factors that you're going to be considering in this case: the length of the kind of mask thing that you want, and yeah, that is the most important thing that we are going to be considering. Or if you have beards or not, such will be considered in this case. So after rotating it like this, it's time to now fold it the first time like that. And then, okay, well, it is like this, you just rotate and then do your first fold as if you want this tip to be in contact with the other tip. If you want it to get to the very bottom, you can always let it get to the bottom like that. Okay, if you want it to be this big, you can leave it to be that big. But if you want it to be much bigger, there's a way in which you do that. Just take it like this and then fold it. Gosh, I feel, anyway, you just do the same thing. You rotate it, and then just this V, do not fold it that much if you want it to be much bigger. So that's big. In this case, that's very big. Okay, but if you want it to be much smaller, like say we have done the big size, the medium size is what I'm talking about. You just always make sure that this tip is getting to this lower tip, and then you have something like that. To be much smaller, make another fold. To make it much smaller, you just make another fold. Okay, like that. Remember, this thing you're doing the same thing even if it is facing towards the top. If it's facing towards the top, you're also following the same instruction that I'm doing. Okay, I hope you're getting it. You're getting all the tips. If you want it to be very big, you just make a small fold. If you want it to be medium size, make sure that both V tips are touching each other. And if you want it to be much smaller, after you do the medium size kind of shape, you do another fold. Okay, yeah. Well, I feel like I have too much lipstick. I need to make my dress start. It's not the type, it's not like the kind that doesn't stick. So I've seen like once we are doing it, we are placing it on our face, it's like it is going to, you know, interfere. So with this size, me, I'm working with the medium kind of size. What you do is you now place it on your face. Okay, you now place it on your face. Some will place it on their head, but in this case I'm showing you the style whereby you're placing it on your face. And remember, by remember to like this video and share it up there. You can always leave a comment down below and tell me which other way you would want. Just hold it like this and then place it there, not here but very close to the eyes. And if possible, you can always paint your eyes black with the eyeshadow or the eyeliner on the inside to make them feel more gangster like. But if you're not using it for the purpose of the gangster, you can always just get in on with it. So place it right there. You see? And then do a knot behind at the back. Either you can choose to do it below your hair or on top of your hairs. To have something like that. In this case, I'm doing it on top of the hair. You can do one knot. There's an important thing I want to tell you. So once you do it like that, the best way in which you can do this, I feel like doing it below the hair is much better, because someone will not easily be able to remove it if they're trying to remove it from your face. So guys, see, I told you this lipstick. You know. So you just place it at the below the hair like that. Do your knot below your hair if you have hair, but if you do not have, it's alright. And then you see, in this case, I'm placing it on top of my ears. It feels like it's not that tight. Let me just place it on top of the hairs. Well, if breathing, how long can you stay with this thing if I'm staying with it for 2 seconds and my breathing is becoming a problem? So and now you have something like that. Remember, you're bringing it as close as you can to the eyes to get that look you want. We used the medium size. You can now bring in, you can now put on some shades if you want to. You can now put on a hoodie if you want to. You can now work if you want to, because this thing is as easy as A, B, C, D. So what if we made a big one, much bigger one? I don't know if this remember how we said making the big one, you just make this thing, just fold it just a little bit, not that much, okay? See my lipstick, it okay. So this is how big size, the big size will look like. I think the big size is prettier, or I don't know, you can tell in the comment section. What of now the smallest size? I want you to decide for yourself the one that you feel will work best for whatever purpose you're doing this for. And so far so good, just like this video and share it out there. So the smaller size, remember we are first doing it, we are first forming the medium size kind of shape and then making them another fold. No, that is the small size. You can always make it even much smaller depending on how you want it. So guys, there you have it. Remember to like this video, share it out there, talk to me in the comment section or through my socials, and you can always watch more content right here. Remember, this channel we do a lot of lifestyle, a lot of tutorials, name them all. So just click here to watch my other videos of the same caliber. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet there.